BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Edge and Brave, both web browsers once again have received another point release update, which started rolling out on the 23rd of February, which was once again late yesterday in my region. And for Microsoft Edge, this is actually the fourth point release for version 110, since 110 rolled out a week or two ago. And for Brave, this is the third point release that is rolled out for version 1.48. So clearly quite a lot going on when it comes to point releases for the latest releases of the Chromium-based web browsers. Now, as I did post on earlier this week, Google Chrome received an important security update and 10 security fixes rolled out for Google Chrome. So as mentioned previously, it is expected that the other Chromium-based web browsers will receive more or less these same security updates over the next couple of days. And already Vivaldi received the same, and now it's Edge and the Brave web browser's turn. And over and above the fact that Brave has received an important Chromium security update, it also has received a couple of improvements and bug fixes, which we'll take a look at shortly. Now, if we just head over to Edge, the version has been bumped up to 110.0.1587.56. We've gone from 0.50 to 0.56 with this latest update. And although the release notes for Edge don't tell us what the update includes, so somebody currently has forgotten to update the release notes, I would suggest strongly that this is a security update, as all the other Chromium-based web browsers are starting to get these same security fixes. And if anything does change over and above the fact that this is not a security update for Edge, I will post and let you know accordingly. But at this stage, if it is a security update, the browser and Edge browser and both Edge and Brave would have received more or less 10 security fixes, and it's addressing one critical flaw and 6 high-risk vulnerabilities. So a critical vulnerability is your highest ranked vulnerability. So this is a very important update that is rolled out for Brave and Edge. And although there is a critical vulnerability that has been addressed, there are no zero-day exploits in the wild. And then we also get 6 high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed. So a very important security update rolling out for Microsoft Edge and also the Brave web browser. Now, I have looked around Microsoft Edge after updating, and at this stage, I'm not noticing any new features or major changes. So we can just presume at this stage it is just a security update. And for Brave, over and above the security update, as mentioned, there are a couple of improvements just to take a quick look at. And apparently for Brave, they mentioned in the release notes that you can now perform download safety check even when user is prompted for save location. So that's a security enhancement. You can perform a download safety check even when you are prompted to save the location. So that's a bit of a security enhancement there. Once again, for Brave Wallet, at least 6 or 7 fixes rolling out for Wallet. And if you want to know more about that, just go check out the release notes. And also, if you are using Discord, they fixed preview images of pictures and web links not loading properly on Discord if you are using the Brave web browser. And if you are using the top sites, I don't use them, but if you are using top sites, they fixed the left margin padding for the top sites tiles on the new tab page. And so that's a top site fix there. And then if we head over to the settings once again, and we head over to sync, the sync chain has received a fix. So they fixed long wait times when starting a sync chain when multiple devices with a large amount of bookmarks. So that's basically if you had a large amount of bookmarks and you're trying to sync that device, that issue now has been resolved. And then, as mentioned, the browser has received those all-important Chromium updates that have rolled out for both the Brave web browser and the Microsoft Edge web browser for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.